Hello student, I hope you are well and happy at your home. So today we will teach you grammar topic, and the topic is reported speech, which is very common topic and usually from 6 onward we study. This topic plays a very important role in our exam. So we will try to make you aware about this topic and how you can score good marks as well as you can utilize in your day-to-day life. So we will start here. Reported speech, as it is given name, it's also known as narration. Because somebody is narrating. The person who is narrating something, that called narrator. And every narration has two parts. Direct narration and indirect narration. We can say direct speech or indirect speech. So it is also known as direct or indirect speech. So direct speech means the statement given by anybody as it is used, it is called direct. Without changing the statement of somebody who is speaking, it is called direct. There is no change at all. But when we change that statement in our own language, it is called indirect. So direct has two parts. Every direct sentence has two parts. First one is RV, reporting verb. What? Reporting verb. And another part is reported speech. Reported speech. It is always we have in inverted commas. I'm first talking about direct. And in direct, whenever we have inverted commas, that statement is known as reported speech. It is known as reported speech. And the thing, who is speaking, talking to whom, means speaker or listener. It is known as the part of direct sentence is known as RV. One who is speaking and to whom he is speaking. I hope you understand. Whenever we have inverted comma, it is called RS. Whenever we have the other part, that is called speaker or listener, it is known as RV. So now we will study further how a direct sentence converted into indirect, how we change it. So every direct sentence we change with some or other rules or formulas we have. The first one is pronoun change. Pronoun change. The second one we have tense change. It is also known as verb change, because in tenses only verb can be changed. The third one, interrogative sentence change. Interrogative change. Fourth, we have imperative. Imperative change. Fifth, we have time and distance related change. Time and distance related change. Sixth one, we have exclamatory change. In it we have exclamatory sentences changed. Seventh, we have optative sentence change. Optative order or optative blessing, curse, such as. Eighth, we have mixed change, means there are 2-3 sentences given in the reported speech and we change them. It is called mixed. These 8 changes we have in this. So we will start one by one. Today we will teach you pronoun change. In pronoun change, first of all we have to understand the first rule. Pronoun change. Pronoun change, we will write here rule. When we have present or future tense in RV, we will not change tense or sentence tense of RS. RS means reported speech, means inverted commas sentence, statement. This statement will be not changed. In present or future, means tense of RS will not be changed, it will remain same. Understood? Once again I tell you, whenever we have present or future tense in RV, reporting verb, then no change of tense will be in RS. Reported speech sentence, tense will not be changed, pronoun only change. So today we will teach you in it pronoun change. In pronoun change we will write here a formula. RV upon RS equal to SON upon 1, 2 or 3. Now let me explain it, what is exactly it is. RS, reported speech, means inverted commas. In inverted commas, if we have first person means one who is speaking, I or we. It will be changed according to RV's subject. As for here, S stands for subject. RS, second we have, if we have second person in RS, in inverted commas, if we have second person, we will call second person you. Second person means one who is listening. So this will change according to O means object of RV. And in RS, if we have in inverted commas, third person, he, she, it, they, in this manner, these will remain unchanged, no change. N stands here, no change. I hope you understand. Once again I am telling you, RS, inverted commas. If we have in inverted commas first person, I or we, and its form, I, by, me, myself, we, our, us, ourselves, like this. If we have these, we will change according to subject of RV. Such as, one example I am giving you. Naresh says to Manish, and the statement here we are writing, I am your best friend. It is a statement. It is called direct because we have inverted commas here. So it's a direct statement. Okay, what it is saying, The rule is saying that whenever in RS means inverted commas. If we have I or we have here I. So we will change according to RV's subject. RV, where is RV? Here, this is called RV. The subject of RV is Naresh. So according to this, we will write down here he. In this manner, we will change. So the statement will be Naresh tells Manish that as a connector, as a conjunction word. And then we will write down here he in place of I. We will replace I with he. And then am will be changed is. Because there is no tense change, because we have present and future. So we have here present tense. So there will be no change in tense. Tense will be remain unchanged. He is your change according to Manish, because we are speaking here, second person will be according to object. So here object is Manish. We will write down here, he is his best friend as it is. So in this manner we will change, we will understand this formula easy going. So now, so this is all about in this lecture. We will upload there some work on app. So keep watching, do enjoy your study. Always keep your eye on work. Always finish your work on time. Thank you. Thanks a lot.